AirsoftFlow here. This is going to be the accuracy test of the MB04 sniper rifle. So if you want to check out the review, simply click on that target. So let's get started. George is right over there. Sorry for the shine of the sun. Let me try. George is at around 20 meters. Right over there. And we're going to be taking around 5-10 shots at the target. So let's see how this goes. We got quite a wide grouping. One dead center in 10, 2 on 7, 1 5 and 1 6. And then we had 3 flyers, so that's 4 shots on target out of 8 or 7. Because there was one which literally just didn't hit the paper. So generally quite inaccurate, but that can easily be fixed with a tight bore, better air seal, and yeah. So don't forget to check out the review. This is AirsoftFlow signing out.